Hello everyone, it's Josh Adkins, or Joshua Adkins, whichever you like. Just call me Josh then. From, stop swinging back and forth. Oh, did you just try to throw that? Okay. Stop me. Stop. Here we go. Can't touch it. Okay. So we're going to the cherry blossom, and which is an annual festival taking place in Barberton, Ohio, every year. Then we cut to best footage of the cherry blossom and some cool background music. And that's the end of the video.
Did you just fart?
Yes, I fart when I'm nervous. Done. Please get. Oh.